Welcome to Pathology Navigator. Today's topic: silicosis. Epidemiology of silicosis. Silicosis is most common pneumoconiosis in world. It is an occupational lung disorder. Increased risk in people engaged in siliceous rock or sand products work. Silicosis is also called as miner's or grinder's disease. Pathogenesis. Small-size particles which are less than 5 micrometer reach alveoli. Macrophages engulf the foreign particles. Silica-laden macrophages are carried to bronchioles and alveoli. Pathogenesis. Silica is cytotoxic and kills the macrophages which engulf it. Activates immune complexes B and T lymphocytes, plasma cells, mast cells and fibroblasts. Silica is fibrogenic. Crystalline form, quartz, more fibrogenic than non-crystalline form of silica. Gross findings. On gross examination of lung, silicosis start as fibrotic nodules. With time, nodules coalesce to form collagenous scar. Histopathological findings. On microscopic examination of lung, whorled collagen fibers seen. On polarized microscopy, bifringent silica particles. Bone marrow biopsy shows fried egg appearance. Chest X-ray shows eggshell calcification.